Understanding Customs Code, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, English explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of international trade with the term Customs Code. It's a phrase you might encounter when dealing with cross-border transactions, so understanding it is key. Let's unpack this together. A customs code refers to a set of rules and regulations that countries implement to monitor and control the import and export of goods. It includes various duties, taxes, and procedures that must be followed when goods cross international borders. Understanding and correctly using the customs code is crucial for importers and exporters. It ensures that goods are classified correctly, that the right duties are paid, and that the trade is legal and regulated. This helps in avoiding delays or legal issues. When you're shipping goods, you need to find the right customs code for your products. This is typically a 10-digit number that you must declare in your shipping documents. It helps customs authorities identify what you're shipping and apply the relevant rules. Customs codes can be found in the Harmonized System, HS, a standardized nomenclature for the classification of products. It's used worldwide and ensures that all countries are on the same page when it comes to classifying goods. We hope this video clarifies what customs code means and why it's such an integral part of international trade. Remember, getting it right means smooth sailing for your goods across borders. Happy trading and see you in our next English adventure.